to ourselves.
Myself, Ishwari Padam Singh Girase. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, Vikram Devache, in 5th standard.
Myself, Vaishnavi Chatur Patil. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, Vikram Devache, in 9th standard.
Myself, Harshada Hiralal Bangar. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, Vikram Devaje, in 9th standard.
Myself, Maheshwari Lakshmi Girase. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, in 5th standard.
Myself, Kushi Nayan Singh Girase. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, Vikram Devache, in 9th standard.
Myself, Gaurav Sansonane. I study in Junior English Medium School, Vikram Devache, in 9th standard.
My name is Dhananjay Kishore Patil. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, in 8th standard. My name is Tejas Yogesh Patil. My school name is Shivneri English Medium School, in 7th standard.
My name is Chaitanya Naneshwar Sadunke. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, in 6th standard. My name is Dhruvesh Anil Patil. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, in 6th standard. My name is Ghanshyam Yogesh Patil. I am studying in Shivneri English Medium School, in 5th standard. My name is Chetan Kishore Patil. I study in Shivneri English Medium School, in 6th standard.
Now we are begins to our debate competition. Girls without an education are likely to become childbirths more to infective disease like HIV.
Girls can protect for the disease like HIV without having educated.
Educated women positively improve the economic, social and health standards.
In the past, an uneducated woman were also making the balance economic, social regarding economic, social and health standards. Girls' education reduces inequality in society.
This is not necessary become to the educated for the girls degree inequality in society. It need only experience.
Girls' education is very important for the equality of women in society.
In ancient, uneducated women were also care informant in society.
Girls can achieve their success in their life.
Education is not only basic tool for achieve success in life. It helps your effort, but it helps your effort in to gain in your life.
Educated women enhance the mental ability of person.
Not only education in hand, the mental ability of person inside the arrows of it also. Educated girl takes us from darkness to light.
In the ancient times, women
Can also take their family more carefully, bring them into the bright future. Girls' education is the only weapon to change the world.
it is not necessary to use weapon like educated, but your experience and valuable knowledge of our life support change the world.
Education makes us independent.
Education is not only thing that makes us independent, but our efforts are more essential for that.
Our women can also have an education, so they can develop our society and business.
Our ancient were not uneducated, though they were known as a well-situated society citizen. An educated mother can take good care of her child.
This is not true because an educated woman and mother can also take strongly care about her child.
And education is a fundamental right to every Indian. Indian government as per the Right to Education Act 2009.
Though the government has private fundamental right regarding education, but it is mostly invisible for every citizen of our country.
An educated female is more talented and can do work in any field like education, engineer, doctor, lawyer, police, etc. on the earth.
An uneducated woman can also pull on her family in the various fields like us, vegetable seller, sweeper, clean roomer, etc. Can also help India in the growth of finance.
It helps us to become a better citizen. It is not necessary to be a part of our country. As a citizen of our country, we need to have love and fear about our country.
It is only because of an education that we had a first lady, prime minister of our independent India, that is Srimati Indira Gandhi.
Though ladies prime minister was a woman, but she did not able to take only decision toward her country without the help any gentleman. An educated woman have one ability to develop our society by her well knowledge. Even she can handle the work of our country. Though the women have become educated, but without the support of any experienced person like man in her life, that is man, there is a man behind every successful woman. Women's education is very important because a mother is the first teacher of their children.
Every girl has a right to learn and get a good quality education because educated girl can make better choices, save lives and build stronger families, communities and economies.
Women are sharing equal responsibility as compared to men in every field of society.
An educated female can increase her income.
Women who complete higher education and lifetime earnings dramatically increase.
It means the equal availability of education for every qualified person. An educated girl can protect herself by the help of education.
Girls' education is very important for the uniform development of a country.
Higher female literacy rates reduce child mortality.